That's kind of funny.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, northwestern
This is going
until 6:15 p.m.
Madison!
At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northridge, moving east at 30
big fat.
It's going on YouTube!
Source, radar indicated.
Big fat. Sexy.
What?
Locations include Springfield, Urbana, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Tremont City, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Rosedale, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56.
You're gonna blow up my light bulb.
In Louisville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 61 and 54.
Hey, watch it be a doubleheader. You guys get down there, the storms could produce tornadoes.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a
Wyatt.
severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashley, or 9 miles
Plug your radio in.
Gilead, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Plug your 300 in.
Impact.
The radio doesn't need to be plugged in right now.
Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Ashley, Chesterville, Sparta, Edison, Laringo, Fulton, and Shaw.
I can't get it.
Impact portions of east central Hamilton.
Well, we got that. Another one.
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Richland County, Ashland County, northeastern Morrow County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
link over here.
from near
No, you're not turning it on. Why not? I'm gonna plug it in.
It's loud.
No, it only goes on for Union County. There won't
I
be
don't
one
care.
for Union County. Bruh.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
Get back on.
Locations.
I'm filming this, idiot.
Mansfield, Ashland,
I care.
Shelby, Ontario, Lexington,
Because why not?
Savannah, Polk, Sullivan, Jeromesville, Bailey Lakes, Mifflin, Roseburg, Nova, Macon, Shenandoah, and Olafsburg. The National Weather Service.